Transform your home into a cozy, stylish retreat with the top 5 best electric fireplaces of the year. Whether you want realistic flames, powerful heating, or a sleek modern design, these fireplaces deliver warmth, ambience, and charm at the touch of a button. From wall-mounted showpieces to freestanding classics, get ready to discover the perfect upgrade that will make your space feel inviting all year long. Number 1. Duraflame Freestanding Electric Fireplace. If you want to add instant charm, warmth, and cozy cabin vibes to your home, the Duraflame Freestanding Electric Fireplace is a game changer. This beautifully crafted heater comes with side viewing windows, a real opening glass door, and a brick-style back panel that makes it look like a classic wood stove, without any of the mess. Even better, it delivers powerful infrared heat that can warm rooms up to 1,000 square feet, making it perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or even a chilly basement corner. One of its biggest advantages is how energy efficient it is. Instead of heating your whole house, you can lower the thermostat and warm only the room you're using, saving money on your energy bill. And the 3D flame effect? Absolutely stunning. The glowing logs, adjustable flame brightness, and realistic flicker create a relaxing atmosphere whether you're reading, watching TV, or drifting off to sleep. You can even enjoy the flame effect with or without heat, making it a beautiful year-round decor piece. With adjustable thermostat and flame settings, the experience is fully customizable. Pros: realistic 3D flames and glowing logs. Heats up to 1,000 square feet. Can use flames without heat. Con: not ideal for very large open concept spaces. Want more great picks like this? Keep watching until the end. Number 2. Touchstone Smart Electric Fireplace. If you're dreaming of a modern, wall-mounted fireplace that blends luxury with smart convenience, the Touchstone Smart Electric Fireplace Sideline series delivers everything you need, and more. Designed for recessed in-wall installation, it creates the warm, glowing ambience of a real fireplace without the hassle of gas lines, wood, or vents. With 5 stunning flame settings, you can switch from a soft ember glow to a bold, blazing look that feels incredibly realistic. You can use the included remote, smart app, Alexa, or Google Home to control heat, flame intensity, colors, and timer, all from your couch. Installation is surprisingly straightforward. The back and side stay cool to the touch, making it safe to place under a TV with at least 8 inches of clearance. Whether you plug it in or hardwire it, the sideline fits beautifully in new or existing fireplace openings. It even comes with both faux logs and crystals, letting you customize your style. You can enjoy the flames with or without heat, perfect for any season. And while it won't replace your primary heating system, it easily takes the chill out of basements and living rooms. Pros: smart control via Alexa, Google Home, and app. Ultra-realistic flame with logs and crystals. Safe, cool to touch sides and back. Con: heat output is supplemental, not a full room replacement. Stay tuned, more top fireplaces are coming up. Number 3. Legend Flame Freestanding Electric Fireplace. If you want the charm of a traditional fireplace without the mess, installation stress, or constant maintenance, the Legend Flame Freestanding Electric Fireplace is a fantastic choice. Its compact 25-inch by 20-inch by 10-inch design fits beautifully into both small and large existing openings, or you can simply place it in any corner as a freestanding unit. Installation couldn't be easier, just set it in place and plug it into a standard 120V outlet. The star of the show is its stunning, lifelike flame. The authentic resin logs and glowing ember bed look even better than many real wood-burning fireplaces. Thanks to 100% energy-saving LED technology, you can enjoy those beautiful flames year-round with without heat, while keeping your energy bills down. In terms of heating, it comfortably warms spaces up to 400 square feet, perfect for bedrooms, home offices, or living rooms. And the best part? No smoke, no ash, and no local wood burning restrictions to worry about. Plus, you get a convenient remote control, batteries included. and peace of mind with CSA certification and a 1-year warranty. Pros: ultra-realistic flame with energy-saving LEDs. Hassle-free installation. Includes remote with batteries. Con: not suitable as a primary heat source. Stay with us, more top picks are coming up next. Number 4. Electactic 36-inch Electric Fireplace. If you're looking for a modern, seamless, and customizable fireplace to elevate your home's ambience, the Electactic 36-inch Electric Fireplace is a stunning option. Its ultra-slim frameless design, only 3.86 inches thick, creates a sleek, built-in look that turns any wall into a luxurious focal point. The nearly invisible bezel allows the flames to take center stage, giving your space a high-end, contemporary feel. What truly sets this fireplace apart is its unmatched customization. With 12 flame colors and 12 ember bed colors, you can create the perfect mood for any occasion: warm amber for cozy nights, cool blue for a modern vibe, or multicolor effects for added drama. You also control flame brightness and speed, tailoring the atmosphere exactly how you like it. In terms of warmth, the Electactic offers 2 heating modes, 750 watt and 1500 watt, and efficiently heats areas up to 400 square feet. It includes a 1 to 8 hour timer, making it ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, or mid-sized spaces. Operation is effortless with both a touchscreen panel and a responsive remote. Plus, the Whisper Quiet 45 dB performance, sleep mode, LED efficiency, and built-in overheat protection make it safe and relaxing to use anytime. Pros: ultra-slim frameless design for a built-in look. 12 flame and 12 bed colors for full customization. Quiet operation with overheat protection. Con: best for mid-sized rooms, not large open spaces. Stick around, our final top pick is coming up next. Number 5. Xbeauty 50-inch Electric Fireplace. If you want a wide, modern, and truly eye-catching fireplace for your home, the Xbeauty 50-inch Electric Fireplace delivers exceptional style and performance. With its ability to be recessed, semi-recessed, or wall-mounted, it fits beautifully into any 2-inch by 6-inch stud wall. The slim 3.86-inch depth and enlarged glass display create a bold, cinematic flame view, perfect for adding luxury to your living room, bedroom, or entertainment wall. What makes this fireplace stand out is its incredibly realistic flame effects. Powered by full-spectrum LEDs, it offers 12 flame colors, 12 ember bed colors, 5 speeds, and 5 brightness levels. The upgraded flame effect gives a tall, natural-looking burn that rises slowly and dances at the top of the unit, just like a real fire. For comfort, you get 750 watt and 1500 watt heating modes, a Whisper Quiet blower under 40 dB, and heating coverage up to 400 square feet. Overheat protection and ETL certification add peace of mind whether you're using it for warmth or ambience. Control is effortless with both a touchscreen panel and remote, offering timer settings, flame adjustments, sleep mode, and independent heat flame control. Pros: stunning flame realism with full-spectrum customization. Multiple installation options. Whisper Quiet heating with safety features. Con: requires an 8-inch clearance under a TV.